Mars, the red planet. It has captivated humanity for centuries. Its reddish hue, visible even to the naked eye, sparked countless myths and legends. Ancient civilizations spun tales of war and passion, naming the planet after their gods of war. For millennia, we gazed at Mars, a fiery dot in the night sky, wondering about its secrets. Was Mars home to intelligent beings? Could we one day walk on its surface? These questions fueled our imaginations, driving us to explore and understand the cosmos. The allure of Mars, our celestial neighbor, beckoned us with its mysteries. Today, thanks to scientific exploration, we know more about Mars than ever before. Our understanding has shifted from mythology to scientific data. We have peeled back the layers of the unknown, revealing a planet both familiar and alien. And yet the fascination remains, perhaps even stronger now that we have tasted the thrill of discovery. Our journey to unravel the mysteries of Mars began in earnest in the 20th century. The space race ignited a global ambition to reach for the stars, and Mars, with its proximity and allure, became a prime target. In 1965, NASA's Mariner 4 spacecraft made history. For the first time, humanity had a close-up look at another planet. Mariner 4, a robotic emissary, flew by Mars, capturing the first close-up images of its surface. These grainy, black-and-white photographs were beamed back to Earth, revealing a world vastly different from our own. Gone were the canals and cities imagined by early astronomers. In their place, Mariner 4 revealed a desolate, cratered landscape. The images showed a barren world, seemingly devoid of life. The dream of finding intelligent Martians seemed to evaporate. But even as Mariner 4 dashed some hopes, it ignited a new wave of curiosity. The quest to understand Mars had just begun. The Mariner missions were only the beginning. Our fascination with Mars intensified, leading to more ambitious missions. In the 1970s, NASA's Viking program took center stage. Two identical spacecraft, Viking 1 and Viking 2, embarked on a mission to search for signs of life on the red planet. The Viking landers, equipped with sophisticated instruments, touched down on the Martian surface. They analyzed the soil, seeking any hint of organic molecules that might indicate the presence of life. The results were both intriguing and ambiguous. The Viking experiments provided no definitive proof of life, but hinted at the possibility of unusual chemical activity in the Martian soil. These findings, while not conclusive, fueled the debate about the potential for life on Mars. The Viking missions, though failing to find definitive proof of life, laid the groundwork for future explorations. They showed us that Mars was a complex world worthy of further investigation. Following the Viking missions, our exploration of Mars continued with renewed vigor. More sophisticated spacecraft were sent to orbit the planet, mapping its surface and studying its atmosphere in unprecedented detail. And then came the rovers. In the 21st century, NASA landed two extraordinary rovers on Mars: Curiosity and Perseverance. These robotic explorers, marvels of engineering, trundled across the Martian landscape, acting as our eyes and ears on this alien world. Equipped with advanced instruments, they analyzed rocks, drilled into the surface, and sent back a treasure trove of data. Curiosity and Perseverance were not merely exploring, they were on a mission to unravel the history of Mars. Their goal was to understand if Mars, once a water-rich planet, could have supported life in the distant past, and they were equipped with the tools to find the answer. The rovers, with their sophisticated instruments and unwavering determination, were rewriting our understanding of Mars. The game-changing discovery. Curiosity and Perseverance, tirelessly exploring the Martian surface, have sent back a wealth of data, fundamentally shifting our understanding of the red planet. However, one discovery stands out, sending shockwaves through the scientific community and capturing the world's imagination. It has the potential to rewrite textbooks and redefine our place in the cosmos. The discovery? Evidence of liquid water on Mars. Not just evidence of water in the past, but liquid water flowing on the surface today. This game-changing revelation comes from Perseverance, the most advanced rover ever sent to Mars. Perseverance, exploring the Jezero crater, a region believed to have been a lake billions of years ago, stumbled upon something extraordinary. The rover detected signs of flowing water in the form of hydrated salts, minerals that form in the presence of water. This wasn't ancient water, locked away in rocks for eons. This was evidence of recent, if not current, liquid water activity. Evidence of liquid water. The evidence, though subtle, is compelling. Perseverance, equipped with a suite of instruments designed to study the Martian geology, used its SuperCam instrument to analyze the chemical composition of rocks in the Jezero crater. The data revealed the presence of hydrated salts, minerals that form when water, even in trace amounts, interacts with rock. But it wasn't just the presence of these salts that shocked scientists, it was their location. The hydrated salts were found in areas where Perseverance had previously detected signs of ancient water flows, suggesting that water might still be seeping to the surface today. This discovery, while not direct observation of flowing water, is the most compelling evidence yet that liquid water might exist on Mars in the present day. It raises tantalizing questions about the potential for life on our neighboring planet. Could there be microbial life lurking beneath the Martian surface, taking advantage of this hidden water source? Implications for life. The discovery of liquid water on Mars has profound implications for the search for life beyond Earth. Water is considered a fundamental ingredient for life as we know it. Its presence on Mars, even in trace amounts, raises the possibility that life might have arisen on Mars, independent of Earth. If life does exist on Mars, it's likely to be in the form of microorganisms, perhaps thriving in subsurface aquifers shielded from the harsh radiation that bombards the planet's surface. These microorganisms, adapted to the extreme conditions of Mars, could hold clues to the origins of life itself. The discovery of liquid water on Mars doesn't just increase the chances of finding extant life. It also has implications for future human missions. The presence of water would be a game changer for human exploration, providing a vital resource that could be used for drinking, growing crops, and even producing rocket fuel. The discovery of liquid water on Mars is a watershed moment in our exploration of the cosmos. It confirms what scientists have long suspected, that Mars, once a water-rich planet, might still harbor hidden reservoirs of this precious liquid. This discovery has reignited the dream of one day sending humans to Mars, not just as explorers but as settlers. Imagine a future where humans live and work on Mars, utilizing the planet's resources to establish a permanent base. The discovery of liquid water makes this dream a tangible possibility. It also underscores the importance of continued exploration and the power of human ingenuity to unravel the secrets of the universe. The discovery of liquid water on Mars is not just about finding water, it's about finding ourselves. It's about understanding our place in the cosmos and the possibility that we are not alone. It's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and daring to dream of a future where humanity becomes an interplanetary species. The discovery of liquid water on Mars has set the stage for a new era of Martian exploration. Future missions will likely focus on confirming the presence of this liquid water and searching for signs of past or present life. These missions will involve even more sophisticated rovers equipped with instruments capable of detecting biosignatures, the chemical fingerprints of life. One promising avenue of exploration is the deployment of drilling rovers capable of penetrating deep beneath the Martian surface, where liquid water is more likely to exist. These rovers could collect samples from subsurface aquifers and analyze them for signs of microbial life. Another possibility is the establishment of a Mars sample return mission, which would collect Martian rock and soil samples and return them to Earth for analysis. This would allow scientists to study Martian samples in laboratories on Earth, using the most advanced instruments available. The discovery of liquid water on Mars has profound implications for the future of humanity. It opens up the possibility of one day establishing a permanent human presence on Mars. While the challenges of such an endeavor are immense, the potential rewards are even greater. Imagine a future where humans live and work on Mars, conducting research, exploring the planet's surface, and perhaps even terraforming it to make it more hospitable to life. This vision, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is now a tantalizing possibility. The discovery of liquid water on Mars has given us a glimpse of a future where humanity becomes a multi-planetary species. It's a future filled with challenges and opportunities. A future that will test our limits and inspire us to reach for the stars. The discovery of liquid water on Mars marks a turning point in our understanding of the red planet. It has reignited our fascination with Mars and fueled our dreams of one day reaching out and touching this alien world. This discovery is not the end of the story, but rather the beginning of a new chapter in our exploration of the cosmos. As we continue to explore Mars, we can be sure of one thing. There will be more surprises, more discoveries that challenge our assumptions and expand our horizons. The red planet, once a symbol of our dreams and aspirations, is now a tangible destination, a place where humanity might one day make its mark. The journey to Mars is a journey of discovery, a journey that will push the boundaries of human ingenuity and redefine our place in the universe. It's a journey that has only just begun.